Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best over-the-toilet storage options available on the market for their true quality. These products are perfect for helping you maximize space and organize your bathroom essentials. You can find the product links in the description below, so let's jump right into it. At number 5, we have the Spirich over-the-toilet storage cabinet. This product stands out with its clean, elegant design and high-quality engineered wood construction, making it a great option for those who value both form and function. The white finish with beadboard paneling and silver knobs adds a touch of modern sophistication to any bathroom decor. The Spirich cabinet is all about practicality, offering a mix of enclosed and open storage. The top cabinet with adjustable shelves is perfect for hiding toiletries, while the open shelf below allows easy access to frequently used items. With dimensions of 24.8 inches wide by 9 inches deep by 66 inches high, it fits comfortably over most standard toilets, and the 33.3-inch clearance from the floor ensures compatibility. The anti-toppling fitting adds an extra layer of stability for safety. While its design is attractive, the assembly process can be slightly time-consuming due to its multiple components. Additionally, its wood construction limits its moisture resistance compared to metal options. This unit is ideal for those seeking a decorative storage solution for lightweight items, but it may not be the best choice for heavy-duty applications. Pros: elegant design, enclosed cabinet for hidden storage. Cons: limited weight capacity, requires careful assembly. Coming in at number 3 is the simple trending 3-tier over-the-toilet rack. This minimalist, yet modern organizer combines functionality and style with its powder-coated steel frame, ensuring rust resistance and easy cleaning. Its compact design fits comfortably in small bathrooms, making it a great choice for apartments or dorms. The simple trending rack offers 3 tiers of open storage, perfect for organizing toiletries, towels, or even decorative plants. It also includes additional features like a towel rack and 3 hooks, adding utility to its design. With dimensions of 24.25 inches wide by 13 inches deep by 64 inches high, it strikes a balance between compactness and storage capacity. The non-slip feet enhance stability, while assembly is quick and easy thanks to its labeled parts and included Allen key. However, the lightweight frame limits its load-bearing capacity, and the open shelving may not appeal to users looking for concealed storage. This product is ideal for those who prioritize simplicity and affordability, with enough features to keep your bathroom essentials organized. Pros: rust-resistant, compact design, easy assembly. Cons: limited weight capacity, lacks enclosed storage. At number 2, we have the Calrin over-the-toilet storage rack. This vintage-inspired unit combines MDF shelving with a sturdy black metal frame, offering both durability and style. The rustic brown finish adds a retro charm that's perfect for modern or industrial bathrooms. The Calrin rack goes above and beyond with 4 tiers of storage, including an adjustable shelf and a built-in basket for organizing smaller items. It also includes 3 removable hooks and a toilet paper holder for added convenience. The X-shaped frame crossbar and non-slip feet enhance stability, while wall-fixing nails provide extra safety against tipping. With a weight capacity of 120 pounds, it's one of the sturdiest options on this list. Assembly is straightforward with the included tools and guide, though the larger dimensions, 23.82 inches W by 9.84 inches D by 68.11 inches H, may require more space. This product is perfect for users who want a versatile storage rack that can handle heavier items. Pros: robust weight capacity, vintage design, adjustable shelving. Cons: requires more space, slightly heavier than other options. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video informative and helpful in choosing the best over-the-toilet storage for your needs. If this video was helpful, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions about these products or need further insights, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll be happy to help you out.